warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yashvanur and I want to give the education from debate video for assignment of advanced speaking class A4. So in this debate, they are discussing and rebuttal of topic about the government effort in dealing with COVID-19. There are some arguments that explain some ways of government solve the pandemic COVID-19, like for example, release some prisoner from prison so that they can apply social distancing evenly and prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Then, the public reaction to the action was quite panic because some of them commit another crime. There is also an argument from the opposition which states that prisoners should be taught to create simple jobs, but then denied by the designing economic condition of Indonesia and the implementation of social distancing, so that is difficult to open job. In this debate video, they argue about the responsiveness of the COVID-19 virus of governments, starting from the ignorance of the government to have two people infected and direction of people who do not want to do social distancing so as to accelerate the spread of the virus. Even some unscrupulous people from doing illegal actions such as making fake hand sanitizer, hoarding masks for resale at high prices, and spreading false information that caused the situation to panic and others. There are some statements to tell about PSBB, lockdown, and WFH that we calls us work from home. So why government give like lockdown system that? Because that government still thinking of solution about people who work privately and not guaranteed by the government. So that it slow down lockdown so that the economy that can still run smoothly for them. Next is I want to give ranks of the some debaters that I thought their argument are as a matter of facts, describe the situation clearly, and explain some detailed information about COVID-19 virus. The fourth rank is by Taufik Hidayat as closing government because he made a clear statement about the government's delay in dealing with the COVID-19 virus. I agree with him that the statement that the lack of awareness of government give our country Indonesia a chance of big chance for spread of COVID-19 virus. Also, the rebuttal about the effectiveness on a rapid test, which was supported by the information from Dr. Tirta, that give statement that rapid test has to give a retest again until 3 times to make sure the result is 100% sure. And the third rank is as real as an opening government that gives statement about the cases of free release prisoner from prison, which makes people uneasy, and declare several criminal cases commit again by the prisoner, and which is problem because they have to do social distancing for community. The second place was considered as closing opposition. The name is Daniel, which states that the government was late in handling COVID-19 because it required in-depth consideration to take the best action for community. She also made comparisons according to data source that Indonesia at least made prevention better than America based on the number of cases of victims affected by the COVID-19 virus. And finally, for the first rank, Kriyanti as the opening opposition stated the situation of Indonesian people as clearly as the fear of increasing crime cases, but she argued about it because of the data she had obtained that the government was monitoring and had list of the prisoner who was released. Also state that from the data she got that the government gave a simple trial to make health equipment such as masks and hand sanitizer, also provides assistance to those in needs. And that's me. Thank you very much.